One important part of the scientific process is to make hypotheses. Making a hypothesis is to predict what you think will happen in an experiment, using all the information you already know. The hypothesis should be made before the experiment has started, and it should be precise. It is important to think carefully when you make a hypothesis. It should not just be a random guess, but should have a scientific theory behind it. For example, if I'm doing an experiment to see if music makes plants grow faster, I may hypothesize that on average, the plants will grow taller when exposed to some music compared to plants that are not. I might think this is because the plants will sense the vibrations which will make them germinate quicker. After you have performed an experiment, you will get to see if your hypothesis is correct.